going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. And in the times that we're in right now, we definitely need to know how the world works. And of course, much love to those who purchased the 3 kids' books. It's time to re-educate. And then also those who donated to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And do not forget the New World Order cryptos are in my Patreon. And then plus, I keep you up with the New World Order events. And then also, much love to those who are shopping at both stores. Keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And as we can see, we're staying flat, but we know what happened Sunday night. That's right, guys. CME, and then plus we have open interest. What also do we have? We have Ethereum micro futures being launched on the 6th. So, guys, do not allow the dips to scare you. We know this is all rigged. All manipulated by the Fed. Cryptos through stablecoins, the stock market through the dollar. And they have not lied not one time. And cryptos had a monster dip. I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But if you did not allow the dip to scare you, you're already up. So guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have volume, we have Tether, we have USDC. We also have the Fed, which we know they're manipulating the market. The only reason why stocks are at where they're at right now is because of the Fed. They told us what stocks they were buying. We also see the repo where they're manipulating trillions of dollars. Trillions, guys, a day just to keep us above float. Without this whole economy would have already collapsed, guys, and we know this. And then plus with cryptos, we saw the manipulation through stablecoins. It's the same thing. But guys, the only reason the United States economy is staying steady is because of the Fed. And we know why they print all these dollars. They killed the dollar, so therefore we can move over to cryptocurrencies, the 4th industrial revolution, where robots, algorithms, and drones replace humanity. If you don't believe it, go back and watch my videos when I first started. I told you exactly what was going to happen. Yes, I give you the truth. Nothing but the truth. Yes, the truth hurts and nobody wants to hear it. But what does it do? It sets you free. That's right. And then also, guys, grayscale. Do not forget to pay attention to the grayscale whale, because we know as open interest starts and they need Bitcoin on the 5th. And then plus, I stated, we have Ethereum micro futures on the 6th. We know we're going to start moving up. Is it going to be a big move up? No, because we know it is December. We're closing out the 4th quarter. But like I stated, guys, next year, there's going to be a big event that's going to shock the world. And we know the stock market is going to fall anyway in that 1st quarter. It always does, but there's always a distraction in that 1st quarter. So the sheep are looking one way and the money is going out the back door. We know they have to build this 4th industrial revolution. And what did Biden say? The rich are going to pay for it. You got to be out of your mind if you ever believe anything crazy like that. It's just amazing what the New World Order get over on the sheep. It's flat out amazing. But we know they have these robots waiting. We know how the robots are going to pay each other, and that's what crypto. Crypto means hidden message, hidden meaning. Do not forget that. But guys, when it comes to Grayscale, do not forget to pay attention to the actual allocations. Now, getting over into a little crypto news. We have the IRS new crypto reporting. We know majority of our transactions are going to be in stable coins, which is nothing but cash, so it's going to be reported the same way. Do not forget to pay your taxes. Remember, the crypto teacher told you. If you have my New World Order book, you know the truth. Now we have crypto exchange Bitmart hacked for over $100 million. And guys, when we see hackings this big, we know what? A lot of times is what? An inside job. And lastly, guys, we have investors snap up metaverse real estate and the virtual land boom. And guys, when it comes to the Fed, we know why they've been buying mortgage-backed securities. Because you will own nothing, but you will be happy. They're going to incentivize you to go shopping, to work inside of that metaverse. But guess what? You're not coming out. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows. When it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you do cryptos, Coinbase, BitChute, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel. Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home, got their own stocks, the C-word, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money. What are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day.
2 years ago, I kind of changed gears and helped launch the Space Mesh project. It has 2 key differentiators. The first, as you alluded to a second ago, is that it's greener than Bitcoin or Ethereum mining, in the sense that instead of using proof of work mining, which obviously requires, it's very energy intensive, right? We use an alternative form of mining called proof of space time, which involves committing a certain amount of free hard drive space. So any device anywhere in the world who has, say, 100 gigabytes free on their laptop or their computer can plug that into the Space Mesh protocol and immediately begin mining and earning coins.
The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know, I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.